Hey guys, how's it going? So today I want to go over my trades for today. Today is the 22nd, and welcome to the Monday, first day of the week. So let's show you my routine when I come in the morning. I usually open up my gap scanner. These are the stocks right now. Obviously, SINT had big volume, EVOK, a THTX, kinda, but IDEX was the biggest runner of the day. So these were actually some of the few stocks that I was watching. Here, let's open up my Twitter account and go there to show you the stocks real quick that I posted. So if you go here, we see SINT, right? We see that I posted 2 hours ago, right? And that's what we're seeing up running a lot, right? Or sorry, with the most volume, right? EVOK as well, THTX right here, BYFC. I got to see how that one did today. IDEX is right here, right? So definitely, some decent, a decent watch list. But it was definitely chopping in the pre-market, just the action from what I was seeing. So I was just extra cautious today. So yeah, let's go over the trades and show you my executions and what I was thinking. So let me pull up my orders real quick and obviously show you the P&L. So P&L for today I was up $268. So I overtraded today a little bit. So my commissions might be on the higher side today. So I might be net up 120, 115. So yeah, let's go over my trade. So today it was almost like a battle as well, as you can see, right? I was up $30, made 110. Then after the next few trades, I was just losing some trades. It was very choppy, and I think that's because of the stocks that I was trading today, like IDEX, I think, was big float stock. I think it has over like 60 million of float. So stocks that have like large floats, they tend to break out slowly. So I think because of that, I got stopped out a lot more. So they'll go up and then down and then break out after, future highs. So that's what happened. So obviously gave away, a decent amount of profit. So, but later on, started killing it back and made some money back. So yeah, so that was that. And let's go over my trades. So I only traded, few stocks today. SINT, KTOV, I had a loser on. And SINT, IDEX. So let's go over SINT. I got in at 274. So let's go over here, SINT. SINT, I got in at 274, which is, hold on, let me do something real quick. Pull it up on the other monitor. So SINT, I got in at 274 for the red to green move, which was around this area right here. So I got in for this pop up and I sold some on the way up. Right, good thing I did because obviously it came back down. But later on, it went right back up and let's see what happened. So I got in 274, sold some at 278 and sold the rest at 273. KTOV, it was pretty much, I lost money on. I think I gave away, let's see, how much did I give away on KTOP? $47. It failed. So next I got in IDEX again at 280. So which was around, let's see, for the break of red to green move right here, right? So the stock opened up here and it went back down and then went back up. So I got in here and then, sold some at 286, I bought at 280. Then I bought again at 286 and sold some at 289. Okay. So bought some here and bought some more here and then sold on the pop up. And yeah, so that was that. And then I tried to get in for the break of 3. That didn't happen, so I gave some money away. It took a few tries, for me to make that happen. As you can tell right here, 299 bought, then sold, then bought, then sold, then bought, then sold. So that's where I gave away, some money. And then I got in again at 298. Oh, whoops. Let's see. I got in again at 298 right here. And again, sold right here. So gave some money away there, right? Then I went back into SINT at 269, sold some at 275, then bought at 282, sold some at 293, and bought at 297, sold at 302. So that's where I made, you know, some money back, right? So if we go back to SINT, I bought at, let's see here, 269, so which was around, I think, for the break of, you know, let's see, for the break of this consolidation, it wasn't a clean one, but it definitely seemed consolidation as well. The reason why it was also low volume on this area, so that's why I was watching for this. And this candle right here that we're looking at is almost a bullish candle as well. So that's why I got in around there, sold some on the way up, and bought some, sold some on the way up as well. Right, so right here, check this out, SINT. So definitely made some money there. And then, you know, again, bought some for the break of 3 right here, which was around this area, and sold some on the pop up. So yeah, these are quick scalps, I would say. And then IDEX, finally I got in at 3, and then again sold some 302 and sold rest at 296. So again, it was very choppy around that area, but eventually, you know, I bought and then sold, buy and sell, and eventually, you know, it started to take off a bit more. So made some, you know, some money on it. But look what happened to IDEX today. So I pretty much was getting stopped out around this area right here, because to me this was a indecision candle, so that's why it was a bit more choppy. You know, that's why I was getting in and out because of this. But obviously, you know, it worked out, right? Because I was looking for this, and this would have been another one. And then on this side, you know, again over here, same spot. So I mean, this is taking off. I mean, for the break of, you know, maybe 4, but then again, it's way overextended right now. I mean, this went all the way from, you know, 265 to $4 from the open. So I don't think I'm gonna get in. I'm pretty sure the daily support is around like 430 maybe, or 4. I'm not sure, but let's see where that's at. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Just look at that run from 40 cents all the way to $4. So yeah, I mean, sometimes you catch them, sometimes you don't. So definitely subscribe to my channel, guys. I post my watch list on Twitter, as you guys saw. Please subscribe. Most of you guys are watching are not subscribing. It's going to help out the channel, and also like the videos as well, please. That would be great. Other than that, hopefully you had a green day, and I will see you tomorrow.